Hello everyone, welcome back to our Prime Coding channel. I hope you are loving our on-campus placement series. So here I am with a new question which asks us to find the sum of element of the array, which means we have an given array with few elements in that we need to find the sum of all elements. So this is a very easy question. As of now, you must have figured out how to solve this particular question. But if not, I will let you know how to solve this question. So guys, before solving this, I have a note for you. As you can see, if our question is stating that we need to find the sum of first and natural number, which means 1, 2, 3, 4 or 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 like this. If it is, then we have a formula to find the first sum of first n natural numbers. So the formula will be n into n plus 1 by 2. Like you can see for the above example, as this is the first 4 natural number sum, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, which give us 10, and following with this, if you try this formula, you will get the same output. So if the question is asking to find the sum of first n natural number, you can use this particular formula, or you can use the brute force that I'm gonna tell you. So brute force is the only optimal way to find this find the answer of this particular question. Now let's see, but before we can see the another test case which is stating that 1 2 1 1. So this is not a first and natural number, so we can't apply this particular formula here. Now what we have to do is, let's say it's just a simple solution. We will iterate over, like I will write 1 2 1 1 5 1. We will iterate over each and every element and will add up into the variable that we are taking to store the sum of all elements. Okay, so what does this mean is, I have an answer variable which will store the sum of all numbers which are there in the array, and I will iterate over the array for n in array, which will be the number. So just what I have to do is answer plus equals to num. Yeah, and lastly you need to just print the answer and the answer would be printed. Now guys, if you are using Python as your language to follow this course, you have one inbuilt function used as sum, and you just need to pass the array name and it will calculate the sum of the array. For now I am just using this method so that everyone will be useful. For everyone it would be useful. And the guys who are using Java, C++, please go to the description. I have tagged one code file that I have created. In that you will find the Java as well as the C++ code of this particular question. As this question is very easy, there is an assignment for you. Just you need to find the product of the elements present in the array. Like array would be, if array contains 1 2 3, your answer would be 6. Fine, you just need to multiply all these elements. Just comment down your solution. If you are having any doubt, please let me know. So the time complexity, guys, the time complexity will be order of n, because we are iterating over each and every element that is present in this array, and we are not considering any other extra space. So that space complexity would be constant space. So let's move to our code editor and write this code. So yes guys, so what will be the code? We'll take an array 1 2 3 6 5 6 and 8. Let's say we need to find the sum, so I will initialize a variable. Now for num in array, I will iterate over the elements which is present in an array, and I just need to add it into our sum, and we need to just print that sum of array is, and we just need to write the variable which stores the sum. And just a quick run, and bingo guys, we are getting 25. So I hope this answer is right. If you like this approach, please give a thumbs up. and we have solved this question. We'll meet you with another question soon.